Name of the book: Political Science Standard, 9 total chapters, 5 total pages, 90. Content: Chapter 1, What is Democracy? Why Democracy? Chapter 2, Constitutional Design. Chapter 3, Electoral Politics. Chapter 4, Working of Institutions. Chapter 5, Democratic Rights. Chapter 1, What is Democracy? Why Democracy? Headlines are: What is democracy? Why define democracy? Simple definition. Futures of democracy. What is the futures of democracy? Rules and law, rules of respect, rules for respect for rights, the debates for democracy, argument for democracy, argument against democracy. Chapter 2, the Constitutional Design. Headlines are: the democratic constitution in South Africa, struggle towards the electorate towards a new constitution. Why do we need a new constitution? Making of a new constitution, the path of institution, the pathway of progress, the Constitution Assembly, guiding values of the Indian Constitution, the philosophy of the Indian Constitution, the dream, the promise, the institutional design. Chapter 3, Electoral Politics. Headlines are: Why election? Assembly election in Haryana. Why do we need election? What makes an election democratic? Is it good to have a political competition? What is our system of election? Electoral constituencies, reserve constituencies, voter list, nominating of candidates, electoral politics. What makes an polling and counting of votes. What makes an election in India democratic? Independent election commission, popular participation, acceptance of election outcome, challenges to free and fair elections. Chapter 4, Working of Institution. Headlines are: How is major policy of decision taken? The government order, the decision maker, the need of a political institution, the parliament, the two houses of parliament. Why do we need parliament? The political executive, the permanent and political executive, prime minister and council of ministers, the powers of prime minister, the president, the judiciary. Chapter 5, Democratic Rights. Headlines are: Life without rights, peasants in Guantanamo Bay, citizenship rights in Saudi Arabia, ethnic massacre in Kosovo, right in a democracy. What is right? Why do we need rights?